So hi guys, one of our student from South Kolkata, Q Spudders, he has got placed and he will share his experience with us. So listen, and in your life what you have to do, he will tell, just listen.
So basically myself Mukul Raj, I'm from Asansol, West Bengal. But currently I was staying in Tollywood, Kolkata, and I joined Q Spider South Kolkata in the month of July, and in the month of October I am placed in a startup company. And basically after coming to Q Spider, I used to develop a build of habit of studying and studying. Earlier it was first one class, then it is started with two, then three, then boot camp, and till then it was around almost 10 hours I was spending in Q Spiders, and it helped me really lot in my company because I have to sit there also for 8 hours, and here I have to sit for 10 hours. That build sitting capacity of me and working capacity that I can work in my office. And regarding Q Spider South Kolkata is that all the faculty members and each and every team members are very much supportive. They are always ready to help you. They are always interactive. And Pradeep sir, our manual tester sir, he teaches like a story. Manual testing is like a story when it is taught by Pradeep sir. Then coming to the boot camp, it is the most important thing that it should be followed by everyone, each and everyone, because at first time you will not get to know that what is the importance of boot camp. But in boot camp it will also increase your memory power, and also you will build a good habit in communication, because getting into a company you should be good at communication that everyone sees. Regardless, after getting in company we speak in any language according to them is basically there, but starting you should speak in English and communicate with others in English, and that should be the important. In boot camp you will communicate with others, you will explain the concepts to the team members, and you will get your English will also be improved, and they will also get the knowledge. And revision after revision will be going on in the boot camp, because first when sir with any teacher taught you, then there is first revision. Then after that in boot camp, when you are teaching to your team member, then you are getting second revision, and your team members when they are teaching, then you are getting 3 to 4 times revision in the class only. And after going to home you have to do 1 or 2 revision, and your concept will be clear. So I would like to say everyone who are fresher or looking for job, especially those who are not going to college, they are thinking that college will give them job. Then they might give them job, but you have to do hard work. So I would like to suggest everyone that whoever is fresher or 2026 pass out, if you are not going to college, you are in 3rd or 4th year, you could please come here and study. It's not just a promotion, it's my own that I have felt what I have felt here. I am saying all those things. And
So
really
guys, it's time to you to be a rock star, and now you guys should be in this position, and now you guys should be rock stars like him. Bye and have a good day. Done.